Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. That's right, all of them. Even the ones, and this has ever happened to you, when you buy and then like something completely different shows up. Well, when you buy hundreds of masks at once, it's hard to figure out which wrong one came. And today, how did you say this? Meixin mask showed up. Can't find it on Amazon. I'm assuming we bought it. Here it is. I'm going to test it. Let's put it in the clamper. All right, everyone's favorite part once again when I almost... Oh! We did it. Letting that rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out what we're doing here, check out that link, but quick version, we're doing the American Standard surgical test here so that you know if this thing can protect you. Not that you can buy it, because we couldn't even find it. So Meixin, let's look at this box, because I don't have anything else to look at here. Use method, non-medical mask. This looks like one of those masks that was created at the height of the pandemic. Maybe this company, Dongguan, Meixin Medical Science Co. No, they're probably making masks still. Sometimes you see like Razor Company or, you know, Trampoline Co. and you're like, yeah, these guys are not making masks anymore. There's literally like no information about this. Let's check it out. I'm gonna grab a couple of these. This is your basic, you know, peak of COVID production mask. Oh, swing and a miss. Oh, that's great. That's not great, it's good. It's pretty good though. I don't think it's gonna fall off on your face though. I've seen better though, I've seen better. Oh, here we go. Do smell test. I'm gonna call this a recently cleaned plastic bin at TSA. Can I have the scissors? Scalpel. And I think we got, oh no, never mind. I thought it was a plastic nose wire, but it's just a really crappy nose wire. But it is not plastic. Here you go. All right, so let's see. Smells okay, construction's okay. We don't know much about it, no listing. Doesn't protect you. I just heard the test finish. Let's do this. Dang, again, nice. 97.235. Did you catch the breathability? Breathability was 44 pascals, super breathable. Help me out, people. Who makes this mask? Who makes this mask? Come on, super sleuths. Oops, can you find this on Amazon? We tried looking for the pictures. It would help us out if you could find it. Extra points, which are not redeemable for cash. Just remember that. All right, thank you so much for watching. Running a little competition here. Aside from the, if you can find this manufacturer, but if you can, like, you're gonna win the competition, let's be clear. If you saw this video in the first 24 hours, drop a comment in there. You could be rewarded. Gonna put details to that competition right up top. And you know what? I'll see you tomorrow, 10 a.m., bright and early. Well, for me, I like to sleep in. That's not true. Kids wake me up early, super early. 10 a.m. Central, by the way. Check it out. Bye-bye now. Get out of here. Go, leave.